A digital footprint is basically the record or trail left by the things that you do online. It is permanent information that you put on the web, usually through social media. When we look up information on websites, post and comment on our social medias, send instant messages and emails, we leave footprints of our behavior behind. This can have both positive and negative consequences, and they build up over time, so they never go away. Therefore, it is important that our footprints are appropriate. There are many instances where employers find one of their job applicants online and the unfavorable footprints left behind did not align with the company's values, so they were not hired. Therefore, your actions online could very well be the determinant of whether or not you are hired for a specific job. Some important rules to follow while online include keeping your information private, don't overshare personal information, and, of course, the golden rule, treat others how you want to be treated.